whisper names of forgotten ones. Children play with ashes where the sun don't come.
Prayers lost in smoke echo through empty halls. And silence, it sounds a lot like God's last call. They preach from golden towers, but their hands are red with ours. Hours they stole from the hungry, faith they sold to the crowd. Look, they wage wars in the name of peace, sell fear in the name of belief. The sick pay rent for their own relief, while the rich build thrones on a sea of grief. The crowd kneels down, not from faith, from fatigue. God's asleep and they run the league. Voices rise, but the mic's unplugged. Truth got chains and the lies got hugs. Wake up from the sleep of divine. The world's on fire, but the stars still shine. You can steal my breath, but not my mind. We were born to rise, not to be blind. Behind the cross, they hide their greed. Behind the words, they plant their seed. They speak for God, but silence screams. We are the prayer inside their dreams. And if God sleeps, we'll be the dawn. A million hearts still carry on. From pain, from war, from endless cries, the truth will wake and never die.